Very good morning to you all in this online class. My dear student, as you know, today the main topic of our discussion is media, the mainstay. As you have seen during the first time when this lesson was taught by me, some images were given in your slide. Today, as an example of the facts, I have set this thing as a background in my slide. When you will see the background, actually it is based on the example of that topic. So let me to share the uh, views of the slide, but let me to mute you all first. After that, I will unmute you. Now, this is the slide that you are going to study, right? In course of time, I will minimize this one and I will ask you about your queries and problem. Okay. As you know, this is the picture. Topic is what? Media, the mainstay of democracy. Here, media, the mainstay of democracy related. This tree is given. These are the examples of the means of media. Different technologies are used by us, especially by the media, to upgrade us with the current news, information, happenings, right? As well as the social problems, burning topics. It is why you have been seeing or watching the scene of panel discussion, uh, group discussion, debate, interviews of different professionals as well as political leaders in the different ways, right? All these are the ways. Here, this is the tree of technology, you can say, in which different means of media is applied. Okay, are you watching it? Through your chat box, you can tell me. Now you see what are you doing? Your drawing has been started, right? Who will do, their name will be reflected here. Have you understood? So in my class, don't be smart. A special message will be given to your parent on your phone number. Now let me to see it. So in this way, you have seen the different ways of the different means of media in our democracy. You have to learn what are the rules placed by them. Now, those drawing master, you see, I have not given place in my slide to you. Now, first you see the mainstay of democracy. First of all, we have to learn what is the meaning of media. Media means plural form. Media is the plural form of medium, right? It means the several ways to communicate many people at a time. All these means are called the means of media, or media means the medium, right? A link through which we can express our views before others at a time among a large people or more people. So, media is the different means or several means or ways to communicate many people at a time. Already I have taught you this one, only this is revision. So I will highlight the main points. Now next topic is what? Democracy. What is meaning of democracy? It is a form of government in which representatives are elected by the people. In short, democracy is a form of government in which the representatives of the government are elected by the people. It is quite different from kingship. ये राजा के राज्य सिस्टम से अलग है. इन किंगशिप क्या होता है? राजा जब राज्य करते थे तो क्या होता था? राजा वॉज सेलेक्टेड बाय द फैमिली मेंबर, बाय हिज फादर, राइट? But in democracy, the ruler is elected by the people, right? Now, mainstay. Mainstay means main base, ground, aadhar, on which something is based on. Thing on which some things based on is mainstay. आधार है, ये main चीज है, very important foundation है. Now, examples of media: radio, television, cinema, books, magazines, internet, and you are seeing in background also seen, right? And these images are also given before you. These are the examples of media. Is it clear? Now, how many types of media are there? Basically, there are two types. One is called print media and other is called electronic media. The example of print media is first billboard. You see here one billboard is there. You have seen on the roadside on a stand something written material are hanged or installed. This is called billboards. Here one example of billboard is also there, especially in this COVID-19 pandemic. This type of slogans or billboards you have seen. You would have seen here one slogan is also written in the given billboard in my slide. Wash hands often. Wash hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. So this type of billboards are the example of print media. Next is newspaper, right? Next is newspaper. After that, periodicals, books, journals, and electronic media, radios, television, films, mobiles, computers, right? So these are the examples here. These are the different ways. I mean, print media example. Here, these are the images. No, print media एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया का इसमें जो इमेज है वो एग्जाम्पल है. यहाँ इसलिए हमने दिया है कि आपको याद रहे ये क्या है. जैसे ये माइक में या ये स्पीच दे रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो क्या है दिया, ये देखो माइक है, ये भी एक मीन्स है मीडिया का, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया का. ये बुक्स है, प्रिंट मीडिया, मैगजीन एटसेट्रा, बुक्स. ये रेडियो, टेलीविजन, ये सब क्या है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया का एग्जाम्पल है. Is it clear? Now next here, latest technology and media. How does each of them affect to each others? Or how do the latest technology help media? It helps media to reach among public because different latest technologies are used which help the cameramen, news reporters, or their staff to cover their areas, even in remote villages, even mountainous areas, in hilly areas where earlier it was very difficult to reach access. Impacts can be seen on billboards. You see, this is the example, this is the effect of our technology that we can make this type of billboards. Newspapers we can print, periodicals we can publish, These CDs, DVDs, TV programs, and films, all these are the examples of latest technology, and you can imagine very easily what are the effects of these new technologies on our media, right? If all these things would not be here, had all these things not in existence, it would have been very difficult to provide you sufficient information about the happenings. Next is printing press. Actually, printing press is a landmark in the field of technology or in the field of media. Earlier, printing machine was not available. Very traditional form of printing was used, where they used to get help of seals. ये जो seal है and stamps. ये seal on the wet clay or wax for printing was used. Whatever they want to print, they first used to write in this stamp, and it was uh, set on the wax, seal, and on the seal plate, the writing used to come carved out. And in this way, they used to give message to each other, writing in this way. After that, paper was discovered by China. Paper also played very important role in printing because different orders, letters, documents were written, books were written. These documents proved a boon for us because all these things provide us different types of information. And after that, you see here, Gutenberg invented the printing press of Germany. He used to belong to Germany. And printing machine also proved very beneficial in this regard because it made very easy to print paper, magazines, etc. First printed book was Bible. And now you see the age of computers. It is also one of the best example of our print media. And what is the use and how does computer help us or media, you can know. You are sitting at your home and I am communicating to you from my room. So in this way, these are the this is the story of printing press and importance in media. Now let me communicate with you through your chat box. Have you any problem in listening and understanding? You can write through your chat box, because if I will continue and yes, Tunir, are you listening to me? Okay. Tunir, you have written no, sir. What? No problem or problem you have? Ratan Priya, no problem. Thank you, Tunir. Is any problem? Okay, no problem. Thank you. Listen carefully. Thank you. Now, after that, as we know, this is the printing now, electronic media. Just now you have listened. There are two categories of media, print media and electronic media. About print media, just now you have seen. Now you know about the electronic media and importance of television. In short, I have discussed here, I have placed some main points about which you have already understood. Let me to highlight one by one. First point, importance is what? First point, use of time for entertainment. I mean, television or electronic media provide us the ample opportunity to get happiness in our life. It allows us to entertain, to pass the time in constructive way. Second, it creates a sense of national identity because national and on international scale, news are provided to us. Whenever we listen anything that is wrong with our countrymen or with India, a common sense arises in our heart that this problem should must be wiped out, root out from them. This feeling is what? This is the feeling of national identity or unity. And whatever is demanded on behalf of our nation to do, we become ready. It is the sign of our national identity. Now, next is powerful source of information. Now, media is and television is a powerful means of information in any corner of our country as well as the world. Whatever happens, we get information then and there. It is the wonders of our technology and media. Now, next is to know the current affairs, sports, and games. You know, you have been already watched the cricket match, football match, table tennis, and so many things, games, sports, many current affairs, whatever is happening just now. Nowadays, you are getting latest news about COVID-19, right? About any discoveries, any new happenings in the world, like vaccine on coronavirus, etc. Which country has been declared himself as the introducer of this vaccine, like Russia and so other. So in this way, we get the current news, I mean happenings. Next, impact on public opinion. I mean, whatever we listen and read in newspaper and see in TV, cinema and others, actually we create some thought, opinion, idea हम form करते हैं. क्योंकि जो भी चीज आप देखते हैं उसका क्या होता है, आप पर इफेक्ट होता है और आप में एक आइडिया आता है, चाहे वो पॉजिटिव हो, निगेटिव हो, सपोर्ट में हो, प्रोटेस्ट में हो. तो ये पब्लिक ओपिनियन भी क्रिएट करने के लिए एक क्या होता है, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आप देखिए, आपने देखा 8 अगस्त को एक प्रोग्राम गंदगी मुक्त भारत पर जो है मोदी जी ने दिया था. तो आप में क्या इम्पैक्ट आया, आपको भी सफाई में लगना चाहिए, आपने बहुत अच्छा काम भी किया. तो क्या होता है, ये ओपिनियन को अफेक्ट करता है. नेक्स्ट क्या है, ग्रेट क्रिएट ग्लोबल कल्चर. आई मीन इट correlates us with the happenings of other parts of the world. We connect to other countries. We learn a lot from other cultures and we create our global culture. For example, good morning, hello, hi, so many things. No? Our costumes, our dresses, our etiquette, way of speaking, behaving with others is changing from our traditional forms. What is this? This is the effect of other countries' culture, global culture. Next is, you see, interdependence of technology and media. 5-6 points are there. You have to learn because our time is passing, going ahead, right? This is the time of the test. Let me to conduct. 5 points you have seen. Technology developed connectivity, ended narrowcasting, created global culture. Technology improved efficiency of media. Media updates us on the advances in technology. Media use digital technology to improve sound quality and technology is highlighted in market. तो ये देखो बैकग्राउंड में भी जो है हमने एग्जांपल दिया है न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी का. ठीक है, अब नेक्स्ट डे हम फिर करेंगे इसको एक्सप्लेन. ये रोल ऑफ मनी, ये देखो रुपीस का है. ठीक है, फिर मीडिया एंड डेमोक्रेसी के बारे में हम लोग रिवाइज कर लेंगे, अभी टाइम नहीं है. दीज आर द एग्जांपल्स, राइट? तो लेट मी टू make it short. be ready for the test, right? So from tomorrow, this point will be discussed. Let me to start the test. Okay.